The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Harnett County, northwestern Cumberland County, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Pope Air Force Base, or 8 miles northwest of Fort Bragg, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wilmington, Fort Bragg, Godwin, Pope Air Force Base, Spring Lake, Irwin, Coast,
This is 4VA for Central Carolina
For
Scout.
your protection,
The National Weather
on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Cumberland, and Harnett. This is NOAA weather.
Here we go. Here we go.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Harnett County, southwestern Johnston County, northeastern Cumberland County, northwestern Sampson County, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Godwin, or 13 miles southeast of Lillington, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dunn, Benson, Godwin, Irwin, Coates, Four Oaks, Newton Grove, Falcon, Linden, and Hampton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Cumberland, Harnett, Johnston, and Sampson. This is NOAA weather. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wilson County, southwestern Nash County, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Bailey, Oregon, 19 miles northeast of Smithfield, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wilson, Elm City, Bailey, Sharpsburg, Lucoma, Stensonsburg, Black Creek, Saratoga, Simpson Buckhorn Reservoir. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Nash, and Wilson.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
This is NOAA. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Chatham County, southwestern Granville County, northwestern Wake County, Durham County, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near RDU International, 47 miles south of Durham, moving north at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and half-dollar-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage following counties in North Carolina: Chatham, Durham, Granville, and Wake.
Report should include the following: hail, any size of your sleet and penny size, 3/4 inch diameter or
This is
larger.
NOAA's weather.
Flash flood warning.
Impact. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a flash flood warning for Harnett County, East Central Moore County, Northeastern Hope County, Northwestern Cumberland County until 8 p.m. At 5:04 p.m., Doppler radar indicated training thunderstorms that were continuously redeveloping across the warned area. Up to 3 inches of rain have already fallen near Anderson Creek. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Fayetteville, Wilmington, Fort Bragg, Dunn, Godwin, Hope Air Force Base, Spring Lake, Irwin, Whispering Pines, and Coates. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. This includes the following flood-prone areas: Anderson Creek and Elliott Bridge Road. Excessive runoff from the heavy rain will cause flash flooding of creeks and streams, roads, low-lying and poor drainage areas. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where water covers the road. Many roads and intersections in the area will quickly flood. When encountering flooded roads, turn around, don't drown. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Cumberland, Harnett, Holt, and Moore. This is NOAA Weather Radio, all hazard station WNG 706, operating on frequency 62.45 megahertz. This program originates from the National Weather Service in Raleigh and is transmitted from an antenna located on the WRAL TV tower near Garner. The station serves the eastern Piedmont and central coastal plain of North Carolina. The current time is 5:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Harnett County, Northwestern Cumberland County until 6 p.m. At 5:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northeast of Hope Air Force Base, or 8 miles northeast of Fort Bragg, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fayetteville, Wilmington, Fort Bragg, Dunn, Godwin, Hope Air Force Base, Spring Lake, Irwin, Eastover, and Coates. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Cumberland and Harnett. This is NOAA Weather Radio.